Hey everybody, I wanted to just give you a quick walkthrough of how to get your video out of Spark Video and up to YouTube to be able to submit your assignment. Now, take in mind I am doing this all from a computer, so your experience will be a little bit different if you're doing this from a mobile device, depending on if you're an iPhone or on an Android. But you should be able to find plenty of tutorials out there to kind of help walk you through that. So say that I had my video here in Spark, it was already good to go. I'm just going to go ahead and click download, and what that's going to do is pop up a screen and basically process your video, and it's just going to download it directly to your hard drive. So it does take a little bit. Make sure you don't close the window like the little pop-up says, because that will stop the process. But it's basically editing and rendering your video together, and then it should prompt you for, a download. So whether you're using a different browser, it might pop up saying, do you want to allow this download, different things like that. So this will just automatically download on my computer and should be finishing here any second. And there we go. So it just downloaded to my computer. So I now have that file. So now I'm going to jump into YouTube. Now you should be signing into YouTube using your Finlandia Google account. It's going to make this a lot easier. Then you're not dealing with your personal accounts. It's just going to be attached to your schoolwork. So what I'm signed in here is my Finlandia account. And this is just a normal YouTube page. Pretty standard landing page, if you use YouTube at all. So what you're going to do is click on this little plus sign with the camera. It says create here. And that's going to give you the option to go live or upload a video. So you're going to select upload video. You're going to click that. And then it's going to ask you, to find your file. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to grab my sample video. And I'm going to upload that. Now the nice thing is it's going to continue the upload process while you do some editing to your details here. So one thing that I want you to do just to make this easier for everybody, you could call this CPT202, and then, you could do your name, just so that way there's a record of it in there. If you have a group, it wouldn't be a bad idea to put all the group members in there as well. And then I'm just going to call this video project. The description, here's where you would actually write out your full description of the video. Again, just to make things easy, video project. And then I'm going to put the year in there too, just to have that. Now, some things that you're going to go through here, you're going to need to go through usually you'd pick a thumbnail, but because it's uploading, it doesn't give you one yet. You're not going to worry about playlists. Everything has to go through this kid check, so no, it's not made for kids. It means that there's not any age restrictions or anything there. I'm going to select next. Video elements, this is where you could actually do some marketing. So you could have those cards that you see at the end of videos where other videos or subscribe buttons and those types of things. This is actually the space that gets built out. I'm then going to hit next. It does some checks for copyright. So if you use any sort of songs in here without the proper licensing, you will get flagged for that. It'll allow you to keep the video, but you can no longer monetize it. Now, obviously you're not monetizing your project for the, for the class here, but just to be aware, it'll run a quick check. Visibility. Now, this is what's very important. So you're going to select unlisted. What this is going to do is it's not going to put it into the Google algorithm for search on YouTube. It's just going to allow it to be public in a way that if you send me this link, and again, this is the link that you're going to submit, that's what I'm going to be able to click and view your video. It's as simple as that. If I scroll down here, you could do scheduling and all this stuff. You don't have to worry about that. But basically, unlisted is what you have to do. If you mark it private, I can't watch it. And you're going to end up having me send you a message saying, hey, I can't get to your video. We got to go through this whole process. So make sure save or publish unlisted. Now when you click save, what it's going to do is it's going to continue to upload. Mine went really quick because this is just a 17 second sample video. But it's going to go through the process. And you're going to have this link. When you click it, here it is on YouTube, ready to go. Again, you could pull the link from the top and submit that. It's all the same. You could click on share and give me that link. Just make sure you get me the published link. You've got it unlisted here, so you can see that I said unlisted. Once you have that part done, you are good to go. Take that link into Canvas, submit it, and get your grade. All right, hope this was nice and easy to follow. Again, getting your video out of Spark and into YouTube for submission.